my name is Suswatun Hasana with number 63 to 4442 in Kampus Binasarana University in Tegal City. The topic of my present computer calls this topic. Before we start, let me share the material I created. Here I will explain about computer. Definition of computer. A computer is a series or group of electronic machines consisting of thousands or even millions of components that can work together and form a net and precise work system. Next, computer working present work based on instruction or program give word, receive, input, process according to input, and present the result of processing to the output media, input, process, output. With the computer work based on instruction or programs given to work, this means the computer will not work independently, but must be given command or automatic command from the software. The working principle starts from receiving input, processing the input according to instruction, the producing output. For example, we type on the keyboard input, the data is processed by the system, and the result appears on the screen output. The diagram below shows the sequence from input, the process, and finally becomes output. This is the basic workflow of all computers. Computer always follow input, process, and output with instruction as the main character. Next, basic computer concept and type of computer has equipment consisting of input device, central processing unit CPU, output device. Every type of computer basically consists of three main components. The first in every type of computer basically consists of three main components. The first is an input device, such as a keyboard and mouse, with function to enter data. The second is the CPU or central processing unit, which is the brain of the computer that process all data and instruction. And the third is an output device, such as a monitor and printer, which display the result of the computer process. So with this third component, the computer cannot function properly. The components work together to support all communicating activities. Next, computer system component, hardware, perangkat keras, the physical equipment of the computer itself, or the which is related to the computer. Software, perangkat lunak, computer, programs, producer, documentation, and data real to the operation of computer system. Brainware, Loomis device. Brainware includes people working using computer as media to help the complete word problem. Next, function and benefit of computers. Computers as means of facilitating work. Computer as entertainment tool. Computer as means of communication. Computer computer as means of information, computer as means of business, computer as means of control. Type of computer: mainframe computer, used by large organizations for bulk data processing, support hundreds of thousands of years simultaneously. For example, IBM Z series. Mini computers, smart thin mainframes would still support multiple user access in medium-sized machines, low latency replace-based service. Personal computer designed for individual user, people, desktop, laptop, tablet. Common is homes, school, and office. Next, supercomputer. Supercomputer, most powerful in terms of processing speed. User of sensitive research, water processing, and simulation. Example, some. Next, history of computer. Fifth generation computers, very large in size, fixed electric consumption, slow processing speed. Example, NX Universe. Second generation, smart and more effective, faster. The first generation, reliable. Example, IBM 1901. Next, third generation, more components, improve performance, user in machines and specific applications. Fourth generation, rest of personal computer, small and chapter mass production. Example, Apple, IBM Page. Fifth generation machines, learn and make decisions. Machine learning robotics, used in smart systems and automatic. Computer technology has evolved rapidly from vacuum tubes to AI. The future holds ever more intelligent and powerful systems. Next, computer networks, local area networks. Network connects computers with a limited area, such as home, school, or office building. Wide area network covers a broad area, multiple cities or countries, and connects multi-planes. Internet, the largest global network connecting millions of private, public, academic, business, and government networks. In the next video, we will enter reference subject. Next, we will insert another topic that is equally important. We will continue with another session about an insider the computer. What insider computer cache? The computer caching is about where all the important parts of the computer are installed. This caching protects and keeps all the components switched. Why are these components important? Every component has its own task and they all work together, so that's the computer wall, not browsable. So, it is important to know what is inside the computer casing. Next, motherboard. The main piece of security in a computer. Everything connects to or where to the motherboard. What is motherboard? The main component in a computer where all hardware is connected. Regular data flow between components. Main function provide connects between CPU, RAM, hardware disk, and motor devices. Regulates communication between devices, stored circuit, and slot. Next, central processing unit CPU. The computer brain of the CPU is a computer main chip. The CPU is real, nothing more. The instability, fast and powerful calculate. CPU central processing unit, called the brain of the computer. The CPU is the main chip that controls all processes in the computer. Its main task to calculate and execute commands very quickly. Next, RAM BIOS. A computer RAM BIOS stands for read-only memory basic input output system is a special chip with instructions for the computer to communicate with other hardware parts. RAM BIOS read-only memory basic input-output system is a special chip that contains basic instructions for computer to communicate with other hardware. Main function initialize and test hardware when the computer is turned on. Operating system coverage of stored media. Next, random access memory RAM. A computer temporary stored place where it gets its work done. For example, when you use word processor to type letter, the letter is stored in computer memory. RAM is very important. Computer performance. RAM selection must be according to the needs and specification of the motherboard. The better the RAM, the better the multitasking. Next, expansion slot. An expansion slot lets you add more factor and capability to computer by loading in expansion chart. Expansion slot important for the performance and function of the computer, making the computer more flexible and can upgrade according to user need. Has additional function easy to install and remove unneeded. Computer solutions are more flexible and can be upgraded according to user need. Has additional function easy to install and remove unneeded. Computer solutions are more flexible and be upgraded according to user need. Next, expansion card. Card that allow you to expand your computer's capabilities, such as modem chart, a network chart, video chart, or sound chart. Next, PCMCIA chart. Notebook computers are too small to use expansion chart, so they use special chart. PCMCIA chart instead. You plug in Wikimedia chart or PC chart into box computer to give it more features and capabilities. Wikimedia stands for Personal Computer Memory Chart International Association, also known as PC chart. It is about pieces of cryptic chart and is designated for notebooks that do not have room for regular expression. Next, power supply. The power supply unit (PCU) is a crucial component of a computer because it serves as the primary source of electrical power for the entire system. Without a reliable PCU, some components like the motherboard, CPU, GPU, and storage drive cannot function properly. PCU is the heart of computer power distribution. Without a good PCU, the performance and lifespan of the system will be at risk. Investing in a quality PCU, maintaining system stability and security. So I can say, however, it is useful and can provide a quick result. Thank you for your attention and